Hello everyone, I'm inside the Coca-Cola manufacturing facility. Let me take you through the full production process. Safety. Helmets, shoes and visitor access card are mandatory.
The process begins here with advanced water treatment to ensure purity.
Filtration carry system is very long to centimize of water or Venus water 1. The water is demined by every clear on money while tin and fracturators.
Next, carbon dioxide is infused to create the fizzy texture we all love. Crappie, capillus for a horse.
Oxide is invisible and heavier than air. This area requires careful ventilation because sensors like this keep watch on the numbers and let us know when it rises. Overhead exhaust fans pull the gas out before it can build up.
Here, sugar syrup is mixed with purified water and other key ingredients.
The liquid is sterilized to ensure it remains contamination free.
The mixture is heated to dissolve everything uniformly.
Powerful air blowers then dry the bottles instantly. Expiry date, batch number and traceability codes are printed here.
Are coming out perfect, smooth and tight. Exactly how it should be.
Recycled defective bottles are recycled responsibly. Temperature control.
Temperature is always monitored to maintain product quality. Temperature control connection is the starter.
These conveyor belts maintain high-speed movement to support mass production.
Carbonation consistency. Every bottle has the exact same fizz level thanks to automated control.
The capping machine seals bottles. Leak detection. Every sealed bottle is tested for pressure leaks.
Random samples are tested here. Taste, color, acidity, carbonation.
Operators track everything in real time using advanced software.
The first several runs is the factory and start to the line.
Sugar and other raw materials come from approved suppliers only.
Sugar and other raw materials come from approved suppliers only.
Cleaning standards are paramount inside this Coca-Cola bottling plant. Strict cleaning routines ensure a sterile manufacturing environment.
The nano trucks arrive on a scheduled timetable for distribution. Coca-Cola.
Plastic and glass waste is properly sorted and recycled.
This factory follows international safety and food standards.
A trained panel ensures every batch tastes just right.
Excellence.
Most operations here are automated for efficiency and accuracy.
Coca-Cola.
that completes the main Coca-Cola manufacturing line.